What's up with it, man? It's your boy Glory Customs, and we back at it with another bang. Hey, man, before we get started, let's clap it up for the 1K views on my last video, man. For real. Hey, this YouTube shit hard. I ain't gonna lie. If you ain't deep into this shit hard as hell. But appreciate for all the views, you know what I'm saying? Y'all been liking and commenting on my video. I hope y'all continue to do that, you know what I'm saying? But let's get into the video. Today, we doing some Air Force Ones. Y'all already know what the deal is. We got some Minnie Mouse customs today. We're going to use the fabric. I'm going to show y'all how to put the fabric on. And we got some patches. I'm going to show y'all how to put the patches on. I think we're going to do rope laces. I don't know yet. We're just going to see how it look. But I don't want to do too much talking, man. Let's get into the video. Alright, so first, y'all already know how to unlace the shoes, man. We ain't even gonna get to lacing the shoes and acetoning the shoes. Y'all already know that. We're gonna start with taping off the panels that you want to put the fabric on. So boom, you're gonna put your tape on, you know, get all the creases and everything. After you get all the creases, you're gonna have to label the tape for the panel that you're using. So this is an example right here. Tape it, trace it, and label it. That simple. Alright, now that we got all our panels labeled, we're gonna get ready to put them on the fabric. What I'm using is a Minnie Mouse fabric and some E6000 glue. You can use any glue you want, really, but I like using the E6000 glue or the barge cement glue. So basically what I'm doing here, I already put the panels on the fabric and I'm just cutting out what I traced. Now this is how I like to apply it. I like to put the glue on the fabric, then the glue on the panel that I'm putting the fabric on so it can stick better. I recommend not putting a lot of glue on the fabric, because if you do, the glue will leak through the fabric. Don't say shit about me making faces either. This is what you gotta do when you concentrate. Don't make me get in the comments and fire y'all shit up. Now that we got the Minnie Mouse fabric on, we're gonna be ready to apply the butterflies. You do it the same way as you do the fabric. I would say with the patches, I will rip off the adhesive that's already on there and just use the glue by itself. Put the shoestrings in. I'm not telling y'all again about these rope laces, man. I got a video. Go look at that video on how to do the rope laces, how to dye them, and how to put them in. Let's go. Y'all know I went crazy on the customs. I do it every time, man. But if y'all made it this far to the video, man, I appreciate you. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. It's your boy Glory Customs, and we out.